Hi, Craig. As you know, we have some great products for wheel cleaning, but today I want to show you a couple more, which are brand new. So first of all, let's start by wheel cleaning. We have made a real dedicated wheel cleaner, which we call Iron Wheel Cleaner. So it's not only removing iron particles, but it also acts as a cleaner for road.
So this, in terms of additional performance over iron, is this thicker? Is it thinner?
It's a jelly solution, and it clings more to the wheel, and it also has different surfactants for cleaning road grime and not only iron particles.
Oh, excellent. Okay, so it's doing two jobs.
Exactly, because our iron remover was made to remove iron particles, also on the paint, but also on the wheel. But the cleaning power of this is much more on road grime.
No, that sounds absolutely brilliant.
So first thing, then to clean wheels, we thought that WheelMitt in a soft fiber with easy access would be a great thing.
So you're reaching right behind the wheels?
Yeah, to reach behind the spokes. If you have open wheels, to reach deep inside the barrel, which is always a good idea to do it without any other brushes.
Cool.
So completely new WheelMitt. As ice on the cake, when we use our already well-known tire cleaner, we were missing out on a brush. So don't change a winning team when it comes to brushes. I think everybody loves our the leather cleaning leaf-shaped brush. So we made one, but in different material, stiffer brush. So it's not that soft, but it's hard enough to clean into the rubber, right?
Yeah, it's going to get in there. It's going to do the job properly, isn't it?
And it will be chemical resistant, so you can leave it into the water with which you cannot do with the wooden
float
handles.
on the top.
Float on the top. I will actually have to ask
the
engineers to find out that. Yeah. So that's third product, and then Tire Express or tire, which we had before. We now have dedicated applicators.
Okay.
And
small and large.
We have two sizes. Yeah, you can open it. So we have two sizes because you know. You always get the comments, yeah, but we have in different countries, we have bigger wheels or bigger tires. People are driving SUVs with smaller applicators. So we did it the GYEON way with logo, edge to get into the rubber, and two sizes. So I think we have now a complete wheel solution.
So a little product goes a long way as usual?
A little goes a long way, as some of our friends say.
That's it, yeah.
And I think we should go out and give them a try. Let me show you some great new products we've added to our wheel lineup. First of all, we have a dedicated WheelMitt with an easy access and super soft fibers. On top of that, finally, an Iron Wheel Cleaner with great cleaning power, and to clean your tires, long-awaited, leaf-shaped tire brush, soft but not too soft for great cleaning power, and to finish the ice on the cake on your tires, we have two sizes of tire applicators. Let's see how they work. When starting your wheel cleaning process, it's really important that you never spray any chemicals on hot wheels. So for maximum performance of our Iron Wheel Cleaner on these dirty wheels, I will spray it on a dry wheel. While it's sitting there and working, I will use my tire cleaner and my tire brush to start cleaning the tires. So let's do it. So I take my Iron Wheel Cleaner and I start spraying it liberate amount inside the barrel. Meanwhile, let it sit, take my tire cleaner. Super handy is the leaf-shaped brush. You can get in these edges without damaging the tire and with a great visibility of your brush. So now we let it sit for 1 more minute and we're ready to rinse. So we are now ready to rinse the wheel. Just want to show how dirty the wheel really was on the left side. We did a first touch with the new Iron Wheel Cleaner, which already gave it like 85% of cleaning power. Okay, we've used Iron Cleaner for the first time. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna respray the wheel because it was really dirty with our Iron Wheel Cleaner, and we have our wash bucket with our wheel mitt, and we will softly agitate the inside and the top side of the wheel. So let's give it a try. After our first rinse, we will now use our Iron Wheel Cleaner and the dedicated wheel mitt for last touch and remove that last bit of road film. We have in our bucket our dedicated shampoo. You can see I can put my hand in the wheel mitt very easily. I spray some product on the wheel. This makes it really easy to go behind the spokes, and even for those to go really fast in and out the mitt. And now we're gonna remove that last bit of road film. You will have zero pressure needed to remove it, so very little chance of scratching your wheels. For the inside, we still have our dedicated wheel brush to reach the deeper parts of the wheel.